My mom was a teacher and my dad a graphic artist, so I feel like I have multiple sources of inspiration in my life. I've always been kind of around computers. It wasn't something different than like a musical instrument or a paintbrush. I would actually have to say that maybe music was the gateway, gateway to all these things. So you start learning about like the hertz, the oscillators, the samplers, and all this other stuff, and you blend it together. And you learn it's all powered by computers and technology and code. And I was like, I can do that. I can build this stuff. I was actually introduced to Salesforce by way of a friend who came to work for Salesforce. I walk into this like brick interior building, and there's my future boss, his boss, and we all just sit at this open table coding and talking. My initial impressions of that team are just like, I'm home. The user experience group, we are a blend of engineers and designers and researchers all together in one. My role is to make amazing visuals and great experiences happen. The old style of Salesforce was very compact. It had tabs that were within tabs, were within tabs. We kind of unboxed a lot of that. Lightning is when we rebooted the entire user experience. That required new visuals, new workflows, new code, new everything, really. And it was a lot of iteration. We rapid prototyped a bunch of designs, and then we got to launch it at Dreamforce. When you're trying to reboot an entire system, you have to think systematically. You think, if I can put something in a library, I can use that library again and again and again. And by putting it into this library, it means you bake in things like your accessibility, you bake in all of your design specification roles. There's no room for ambiguity. I'm super proud of what we did there because we're able to take a small team of maybe a dozen people and now affect hundreds of thousands of people. The people and the culture at Salesforce is what keeps me here. It's what keeps me interested as a manager. This is a playground, but it's also like a way to like harden your skills and your abilities in a very social environment. I want the user experience of Salesforce to be able to enable people to do things they couldn't do before and to do them faster. I want them to be able to see artificial intelligence insights with Einstein. I want them to see how their small daily decisions are affecting their wave charts. And I think we can do that through better storytelling, and that's what user experience really enables. My name is Amy Lee, and I'm a senior UX manager.